Hello viewers, welcome to today's topic of discussion, that is the third part of the diabetes series, Diabetes, Eat Well, Spend Less. As I have promised with you that I will be discussing on the detailed projection on each 5 food groups, that how to control the diabetes mellitus in a healthy way. Today I am going to discuss about the impacts of having lots and lots of fruits and vegetables in your diet to manage the unusual and high blood sugar level effectively. I am Dr. Bhashwati Goswami Chatterjee, consultant dietitian. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Care and Cure. Today you will get to know about the fruits and vegetables which you can add to your diabetic diet to have the positive health benefits on managing the unusual spike of blood sugar level and also preventing the type 2 diabetes mellitus and any type of diabetes in a healthy way. So without further delay, let's get started. Today we are diving into the most important topic on how to control the diabetes with inclusion of fruits and vegetables into the diabetic diet. So let's explore some easily available and budget friendly fruits and vegetables that will take care of the unusual spike of blood glucose level into one diabetic's health. First, let's talk about some beneficial effects of fruits that will take care of the unusual spiking of blood glucose level in an effective way. Fruits are power-packed source of vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and also some antioxidants that will also take care of the oxidative stress and inflammation caused due to the blood sugar level. To choose the right fruits to control the diabetes mellitus or to lower the diabetes blood sugar level is the low glycemic index, and also that are fruits that are low in calories and full of dietary fiber. In this video I will talk about 5 superfruits that will take care of the unusual blood glucose level. So first let's talk about number 1 superfruits, that is apples. As we all know that an apple a day keeps the doctors away. So eating an apple every day will keep you from developing the side effects and after effects of the diabetes mellitus. Eating an apple with skin every day will give you a fair amount of dietary fiber because the skin of the apples contains polyphenols, that is the antioxidants that helps increasing the insulin production and the helps induces the pancreas to produce the insulin to keep you moving throughout the day, with preventing you from unusual spikings of blood sugar level immediately after taking the meal. Apples are very good source of vitamins and minerals also. And antioxidants, as we all know, that antioxidants will give you preventing from aging and oxidative stress also. Apples you can enjoy in between meal times, in snacks time. It is a good choices to make for snacking into when hungry, when hunger pranks happen. So opt for whole apple, not apple juices, because apple juice is also the source of extra calories and extra sugar content that will ultimately affect our health while developing the diabetes mellitus. Number 2 superfruits is the oranges. Oranges are great choices to make while maintaining a diabetic friendly diet. As oranges, we all know that are great sources of vitamin C and also the flavonoids, which is the antioxidants, prevents from developing oxidative stress, and also the acute inflammation, reduces the pain, which is the notorious effects of developing type 2 diabetes mellitus or any type of diabetes mellitus. Besides, oranges are fair source of dietary fiber that keeps you moving for at least an hour, that keeps you full for hours, because it contains the dietary fiber in it. Now talk about number 3 fruit, that is the amazingly beneficial fruit, that is guava. Guava is a rich source of dietary fiber and vitamin C, as the guava rich in dietary fiber, so helps in lowering down the blood glucose level, keeps you full, and gastric emptying rate is very low. So eating a guava, snacking onto a guava, or mix them as a salad item or as a breakfast item, or you can enjoy with some smoothies with the nuts and the yogurt or other proteins like toned milk. It will give you fullness and it keeps you from opting for unhealthy snacks while hunger happens. So guava is also a very rich source of vitamin C, that is also the very much good factor in preventing the oxidative stress, which is the after effects of diabetes mellitus. As guava are low in calories and glycemic index, it is a good choices to make for weight reduction also. So weight in check will ultimately helps in preventing the type 2 diabetes mellitus. Next superfruits is the number 4 superfruits, that is the papaya. It's a great addition into the diet of a diabetic patients. So ripe papaya you can easily give to a diabetic patient in ample amounts, like 100 to 150 gram you can easily give. Ripe papaya is a low GI, that is low glycemic index fruit, and also it is low in calories, so weight will also keep in check, and also the it's rich source of vitamin A, flavonoids. So diabetic retinopathy will not happen in case of the diabetic patient if one patient will consume 100 grams of papaya 3 to 4 times a week, or if they can opt for as a fruit salads with other fruits also. You can consume papaya as a whole fruit or as a salad, fruit salad, or blend into this into smoothies also with other nuts and other low toned milk or curd. Next, I'm going to add some refreshing, delicious, although nutritious fruits that is also diabetic friendly fruit. Number 5 superfruits, yes, watermelon. This pink color or red color fruit is a superfruit and its aroma is amazing. Not only its appearance and its texture, but yes, it has some beneficial effects on controlling the diabetes mellitus. As it is low GI fruit and also low in calories and high in water content, keeps you hydrating, and it take care of the gut health, which is also necessary for a diabetic patient. It contains lycopene, which is also a very important phytochemical antioxidants that will prevent in developing free radicals for the diabetes patients and for also the cancer patients also. So you can opt for watermelon for its mineral contents, for its dietary fiber content and potassium, magnesium, and also the citrulline, which is taking care of the heart health, which is the after effects and notorious effects of developing the diabetes mellitus. So you can enjoy as watermelon as a fruit salad or into smoothies also, or you can opt as a meal snacks time item as a whole fruit. Vegetables are essential for managing the blood glucose level, especially who are suffering from the uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. As vegetables are rich sources of dietary fiber, some amounts of minerals and vitamins present in the vegetables, and also vegetables are economic and budget friendly sources to cope with the diabetic diet. So let's explore some commonly available and budget friendly vegetables, those that will help in you check the blood glucose level and also preventing us from developing the side effects of diabetes mellitus. First and foremost, opt for a good amount of carrot in your diet. Eat carrot as salad, as the stir fried or pan fried item. You can opt for carrot as a mixed vegetable while in the mealtime or in the breakfast item, or you can stuffed carrots as the in the paratha or chapati also. Carrots are source of dietary fiber and vitamin A that will prevent you from developing the diabetic retinopathy. Carrots are fair source of flavonoids that will ultimately reduces the oxidative stress and acute inflammation. Carrots are a fair source of fibers that keeps you full, and the gastric emptying rate is also lower. Improves the insulin sensitivity also. You can add good amount of spinach in your diet. That is the very much desirable leafy vegetables that one diabetic patient surely consume. Spinach is a fair source of dietary fiber, is a good source of minerals and vitamins. It a fair source of potassium, and also spinach is not only affordable, also they are budget friendly, and also they are nutritious and delicious also. You can stuff them as in the paratha, or you can simply cook, or you can simply tawa fry it and consume it. Spinach you can add in dal or in soups also. So eating a spinach in good amount will keep you in managing and stabilizing the blood glucose level and preventing the unusual spike of blood glucose level immediately after taking the meal, or immediately after taking any kind of lunch item or dinner item. Spinach is a fair source of dietary fiber that keeps you feeling full, and the gastric emptying rate is also increases. Another very commonly found and very much versatile seasonal vegetables is lady's finger or bhindi. For bhindi, you can consume bhindi in ample and fair amount because of its good taste, and also you make them curry out of it, you make them mixed veg out of it, and also eat them as a simply as boiled lady's finger with some seasonings over it. It has got the antioxidants like quercetin, isoquercetin and flavonoids will help in stabilizing the blood glucose level and preventing the unusual spike of blood glucose level. It has the insoluble fiber that will prevent us from opt for unhealthy snacks items while our hunger pangs happen. Include a good amount of different type of gourd into the diabetic friendly diet will surely be of beneficial for a diabetic person. Different type of gourd, any type of gourd will contain vitamin B complex, that is niacin, thiamine, a good amount of dietary fiber present in it, and also it's a good fair source of water. Its water contents is always necessary to keep the gut healthy, the stomach healthy. The healthy option is the ash gourd, rich gourd in type of gourd as I have mentioned. Opt for the bitter gourd or Karela juice in small amount. Please consult an experienced dietitian or an experienced nutritionist also for having the bitter gourd or Karela juice, because it can cause hypoglycemia if it is not drunk in a limited quantity. One can have bitter gourd or Karela juice once or twice in a week, but please consult an experienced dietitian or nutritionist for the portion control, because portion control is always necessary to maintain the blood glucose level or any type of lifestyle disorder in check. So having bitter gourd or Karela juice is okay with the diet prescription also. Another important vegetables will also beneficial in controlling the blood glucose level, that is cauliflower. Cauliflower is a fair source of glucosinolates, that is a phytochemicals that will prevent in developing the oxidative stress and acute inflammation related to diabetes mellitus. Besides this, it contains magnesium, potassium, phosphorus that will ultimately helps in stabilizing the blood glucose level and improves the insulin sensitivity. So eating certain amount of cauliflower into a diet, mix them into a quinoa salad or mix them into a mixed vegetables or simply a curry will be beneficial in stabilizing the blood glucose level. So my topic of discussion will end here today. Hope you people are thoroughly benefited through the opinions and views I have shared with you. Why fruits and vegetables are so much important, fundamentals and vitals for the diabetic friendly diet in lowering the unusual blood glucose level and high blood sugar level. So if you need my consultation and if you want to know about food related diet prescription, do not forget to write on the comment section below. Like, comment and subscribe my channel for further updates and new videos. Stay happy, healthy and active. Bye bye.